Hey guys, this is Pat Houston here, giving you the best of what's around. This is just a short video of what I'm going through right now. Still in baby step 2, but I just wanted to address some real life things that have come up with me and my journey. So the first thing is we got my fiance's car paid off. $8,000 paid off in about 2 months or 3 months. And literally the day after we got it paid off, I noticed a tapping in her engine. We took it to the dealership. Turns out she's going to need a new engine, something about an oil sender. And, you know, this has caused a lot of, I don't know, maybe it's self-inflicted stress, but it's stress nonetheless, because the new engine is going to be $3,600. Now, if you're following Dave Ramsey's 7 baby steps, you know, we each have $1,000, so we only have $2,000. And I know these are big money, first world problems, but still scared the hell out of me. So I got a couple of things working for me. I have my older Dodge Grand Caravan that I bought from an auction for about $600, $700. That's just kind of sitting around. You know, I rent it out to people. People use it for their stores and their businesses. So I have that. I just had to cancel my rental business, which kind of sucks a little bit. The other thing that kind of sucks is that, you know, in doing baby step 2 is you're supposed to be working your ass off to aggressively pay off debt. So I signed my main van, this white minivan that I'm in right now, back up for Lyft. But I can't actually start because we also decided to go ahead with a very small, very cheap wedding that is going to happen now in June, which literally gives us 2 months to pay for a wedding. So I don't know if my fiance is feeling the crunch like me, or I mean, maybe she probably is. I don't know, but that's not the point. And the point is that step 2 is real and it's not enjoyable. Like if you go through baby step 2, you know exactly what kind of money you have to throw at something without being in debt. And our wedding, we have roughly $5,000 to throw at it, which we didn't earn yet. You know, this is still coming from paychecks. We're not hooked up to any registry. Just come and eat some free food and you know, watch us get married, and go home. You know, so it's all on us. We're not getting any help from anyone. So we'll figure out a way. I'll figure out a way. It's just that right now, it's damn scary. Step 2 is damn scary, especially when you have that $1,000 starter emergency fund. Yo, $1,000 starter emergency fund is not enough. You know, when the engine goes out in your car, sure, there are different ways to do it. You know, the dealer wants $3,600, and I know it'll be done right. But I could probably go to Jake's, you know, whatever garage. I can, you know, they can pull an engine from me from a Hyundai, and they can put it in like that, and it'll probably cost significantly cheaper. I say about $2,000, $2,500. But this car needs to stay in the family because it is, you know, very reliable and it's very much running. So right now, you know, I'm just happy to say, again, my safeguards stepped into place. I have my rental van, my cheap van that I just kind of keep going. We do have our emergency fund, which is a great thing to have in this plan. But there's a weird, I think when you start doing this 7 baby steps thing, there's a certain level of paranoia that comes over you, because you wonder if you built a pyramid or a house of cards, and as such, you just quite don't know which. And man, I can tell you what, that is some scary stuff. So anyway, that's just my little blog post for this session, this in-car session. Just want to remind you to live high, live mighty, and live righteously. Take it easy.